Hi, my name is AJ Nidek. I'm the National Sales Manager here at TUTCO SureHeat. We're going to talk a little bit about the SureHeat Jet. This is a compact, efficient air heater for temperatures up to 1400 degrees Fahrenheit. The Jet comes in two different wattage choices, either 3 or 8 kilowatts. Either way, it's 240 volt single phase. Two built-in Type K thermocouples, over temp protection, your wiring here, there's your ground. Please pay attention to your torquing specs listed here and everything else in our instruction manual here. This is great for sterilization, heat shrink activation, any kind of spot heating. It's a perfect choice for it. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you for watching.